Good morning, everyone. Today we're heading to a water heater leaking call for a commercial building. Now we are going to the supply house to pick up the water heater, and we will go get it replaced just right now. So follow us, and we will show you how it's done. Looking at an 80-gallon electric water heater that's leaking from the bottom. So right now we're gonna drain the tank and replace it. And to drain the tank, we're using the Milwaukee battery pump, and then just pump it into a floor sink right there. So it's gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes to drain this whole entire tank. Okay, we're checking the power to make sure we got no power before we disconnect it. So it looks like the power is off. So we're good to go. We're gonna disconnect the power and remove it. And then we're gonna disconnect the hot and cold supply line, disconnect the temperature and pressure release line, and then we can remove the tank. So we are unloading the tank. We got an 80-gallon commercial electric water heater, a pad, and an expansion tank with 2 new water supply line. We're loading it in and then ready to install it. Really drain out. We're gonna turn off the pump and disconnect the drain line and remove the water heater. The old pad was damaged. Get him a new pad. Okay. Okay, so we reconnected a quick strap for them. Next to a water heater come with the upper third and the lower third with the earthquake straps, so it won't fall, move in case we have an earthquake. So that's on. You just channel lock, just snug it up a little bit, and it will be tight. Okay, now we're gonna connect the water line and reinstall the expansion tank. It's gonna be a new one. Okay, now we reconnect the temperature and pressure release line. The existing one was they used in CPVC, so we can use the same stuff, CPVC reconnected to the existing one. So the male adapter, you connect it into the water heater. Make sure you tape and put high dope on it. The plastic male adapter, when you thread it into the female, it's really easy to get cross thread, so make sure you hand tight it a little bit before you put your wrench on it. And then the rest just glue them together with a coupling. Just like that. And now we are putting in the expansion tank. So for the expansion tank, the way we do it, I'm gonna use a 3/4 inch brass 90, go right into the water heater connection, the cold inlet supply, and then with the 3/4 by 6 nipple and a brass 90. So the expansion tank can be threaded into. And again, make sure your connection is taped and doped. That's it. And now we're ready for water. Okay, the tank is now filling. While we wait, we can start auto cleanup. Wait for the tank to fill all the way up to the top. So the final step is to connect the electrical into the tank. And this is a 3-phase water heater, commercial water heater. So that's 4 wires that we have to reconnect. And just follow the direction on the tank. There's a diaphragm, the wiring diaphragm on it. All you have to do is just reconnect to that diaphragm and then you should be good to go. So everything is all connected. Make sure to double check all your water connection. Make sure there's no leak. So everything is all good. Now it's time to flip back the breaker. Okay, the breaker is on. Water heater is working. The job is all completed.